Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1911, the first automobile accident occurred in Williamsburg. A 1911 Ford owned by Mr. Bozarth skidded on the newly opened Sand and Clay Road en route to Warwick County. The vehicle overturned, and fortunately, all passengers were saved by the windshield supporting the weight of the vehicle. For more local history and stories not found anywhere else, be sure to visit the Virginia Gazette articles from 1893 to 1925, easily searchable online for free at archivewilliamsburg.org. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.